Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
This video explains how to build a voice control phone from concept to prototype. First, choose a 16K HZ microphone and audio pipeline for reliable speech capture. Next, select an on-device model around 50 MB for offline inference and power efficiency. Target under 100 ms latency for responsive controls and about 90% command recognition accuracy in quiet rooms. Consider wake word detection, speech-to-text, and intent parsing components. Include secure local processing to protect user privacy and reduce network dependence. Start hardware setup with a high SNR microphone and a reliable codec supporting 16K HZ sampling. Configure audio capture to use 16-bit PCM and apply noise suppression and voice activity detection. Deploy a compact ASR model of about 50 MB and a separate 1 MB wake word model for low-power listening. Implement intent parsing and command mapping modules on-device to reduce latency. Secure models and data at rest with encryption and enable HTTPS and token authentication for optional cloud fallbacks. Test thoroughly with live users across accents, ages, and noisy environments to ensure reliability. Measure end-to-end command latency and optimize until it stays under 100 ms in typical use. Augment training data with diverse accents, microphone positions, and background noise to approach 90% recognition accuracy. Use quantization and pruning to reduce model size and CPU load without losing accuracy. Monitor usage logs, schedule nightly incremental updates, and retrain core models every 3 months to maintain performance and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.